to Love and Adventure.
Hey, 2LA fam. Thank you for joining us on this next adventure. So we decided to take a trip to Acapulco in 2022. It was towards the end of the COVID outbreak, and a friend of mine had access to this beautiful property here in Acapulco. It was in a gated golf course community. Please excuse my pronunciation, but I think it's called Tres Vidas. And now we're going to get into a quick property tour of this home. So beautiful. We were there for about 4 or 5 days. It was myself, Misha, my friend, her spouse, and her daughter, her young daughter. So we're gonna try to do our best to respect their privacy, so you won't see anyone else in the video other than myself and Misha. Now that we've seen the complete outside of the property, let's step inside and take a look at where we've been for the last 4 to 5 days, starting with a view as we walk into the front door. There's my baby. Almost forgot to mention that my friend's sister and father were also here on this trip. Let's take a quick look at our accommodations. This is a 5-bedroom house. Yes, just 5 bedrooms, and you'll see later on that this property is huge. We were in the only room located on the first floor, so let's take a look at our view out of this window. I'm going to open up the blind here in a second so you can take a look at the beach view, but there you go. Look how close we are. I want to apologize for the shaky camera to start. You know, this was completely filmed on my old iPhone. I've since upgraded, but you have to work with what you got. I decided to apologize in advance. We'll take a look at the rest of the first level before heading upstairs, and please make sure that you stay tuned to the end because I have a cool surprise for you. The views from up here are amazing. There are a total of 4 bedrooms up here, including the master or main bedroom. Down at the other end, you'll see these 2 doors, but check out that view first. Wow. So on this side of the property, upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms, and on the other side, there are also 2 bedrooms. The side where I just left, that one is the main bedroom. There were a total of 6 people staying here. My friend, her spouse, and their daughter in the main. Her sister, who I forgot to mention, on this side in the bedroom that you saw was closed. And while I'm up here, I just decided to grab a towel, or a couple towels, because we didn't have any in our room. So we had the entire first floor to ourselves because that was the only bedroom. Gonna take a quick peek at the view from up here. Now, as I leave this extra room, you can see that door right there was occupied by my friend's sister. All right, now it's time for that treat that I promised you. We're going to head up to the roof where the 360-degree views are amazing. discovered that one of our furry four-legged friends was living up here. Anyway, getting back to the views. See what I mean? I wasn't lying. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why we travel, for experiences just like this. So if you just have one takeaway from this video, make it this: life is short. Go outside and experience it. Anyhow, we appreciate you joining us for this first video of our Acapulco series. Please stay tuned for more videos to come. We spent a few days here, as I mentioned. Please remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. We're going to be uploading at least one video per month, if not several, but we'll also dive into some shorts and all of that. Anyhow, thank you for being a part of our 2LA fam. Take care.